How to create a Google Meet link on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a Google Meet link directly from your phone. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, it does not matter, so let's just dive right in. The first step is to make sure that you have the Google Meet app. If you don't have it, just head over to your Play Store, and here you can just search for Meet, and Google Meet will show up on top. So once you do that, you can just install this application, or if you already have it, make sure that it's updated. So once you do that, you can just open up the application, and here you will see a new meeting button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will see three options. And here on the top three options, you will find an option to schedule a meeting, create a link, and start a group call. So you can just tap on create link like this. And here you'll have the privacy and meet pop up. So just tap on OK. You can just copy this link like this and share it to anyone. So once you copy the link, you can just go ahead and share it on your WhatsApp group or anything like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.